Welcome back to iTrustCapital, where we dive into crypto terms. Today's crypto term, mining. Mining is the act of solving hashes in a proof-of-work blockchain. Proof-of-work requires nodes to solve complex mathematical algorithms with powerful hardware. When a block is mined, it means that it's added to the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new cryptocurrency when they've successfully mined a block, which incentivizes the act of mining. Miners also typically receive transaction fees from the blocks. Why is it called mining, and how did it start? Bitcoin was the first proof-of-work blockchain and is therefore credited with the terminology's origin. Because the miners are seeking to solve for a dense mathematical function, the act was compared to mining through layers of rock to get to a precious metal or gemstone. That's it for today. Check out our other videos for more info on Bitcoin and proof-of-work. Don't let crypto jargon be a barrier between you and financial freedom. Head to iTrustCapital.com for more information and keep it here on our channel for key concepts to learn.